to really change the dynamic of your outside. I'll show you the difference here. It's a whole different world. Hey everyone, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care. I've been doing a lot of videos about Lanai lights, and I figured there's no better way to talk to you about them than to show you them at night. I'm gonna grab the remote real quick. We have this controller right here where we're able to control everything. Just like that, we brighten them up, and we can dim them down according to what you want out here. You can see how dimly lit the pool is if your lights are ever too bright, and if you want to brighten it back up with a swipe of a finger, there you have the change. We can also go full spectrum color change here. You can see now we're blue. So the pool has the cool blue hue on it, right? We can run this through the whole color gamut. This setup's really cool. If you want strictly just white, you can have strictly just white. If you want to go back to colors, you can go to anything you want, which I really have had a lot of fun with, finding like what I really like. Red, or you can just let them change through the colors to kind of pulse, give it a really cool feeling. Super excited about these Lanai lights. This doesn't have everything though. These uprights over here, we can also put sconces on these. So if you want lighting around the outside of the pool, that is also an option. So these are a really, really great option to make your outside area lit at night. Because if you take this and let's just go off, and I'll show you the difference here. This is what it looks like on our Lanai deck. We've always done lighting like this where we've used landscape lights to light the outside too, since we've always done LED lighting. But look at that amazing difference. It's a whole different world when you get the lights going. And our install's got one on every beam. Honestly, you could do one on every other and really get a lot here. This is all LED, full spectrum color change, dimmable. You can change the hue of it, and this is all low voltage, so it's running off of a transformer put on the side of your house. All the wiring is up top, hidden, kept safe from the rain, all very secure, very waterproof, sealed. Really, really cool system. Now, if I was to have the sconces on the side, they'd be on a different relay from this overhead, so you can control all individually. You could dim the top separate from dimming the sconces. You could change them to have different colors between the two, or you could just have the overheads off or the sides on, whatever you want. So really cool system. I just wanted to show you a little bit of this because we're really excited about the service.